G'day, here's a parcel of knobby material from Lightning Ridge. Some of it's very bright, crystal pieces amongst it. There's some pieces that sun flash, which you could actually facet if you pull them out and pick it. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, haven't moved any of the pieces. I'll just do a quick movement around the tray. Don't forget you can stop at any time. The rule's in millimeters, if I don't think I've said that already. Some quite big pieces amongst this. Very bright material. Just pick up a couple of bits and show you. Here's this sort of honey potch material. I've picked this up randomly, but I did notice some pieces in here that will definitely facet. If you're inclined to try to do that. There's other big knobby pieces with some potential in it. Unfortunately, this sort of material also has sand in it, so you can be lucky. Here's a crystal piece. Unfortunately, that's the gamble with this stuff is what are you going to end up with? But that's part of the opal game. That gives you an idea. Cheers.